Well, looks like I need to add this to my code somewhere. Where is it? Oh yeah, that's really helpful. Okay. So let's copy these two lines and go in here into our dialog editor, which isn't open yet. Dialog editor. And here we need to add a button. Active dialog. And let's add it here. Let's remove that. And let's change it in a moment. Here we add a button. If GUI layout button save. Editor style, let's do it. Toolbar button. Then we want this to happen, and here we have the all nodes. Okay, let's try this. Let's just change text. And let's click save. Let's click this. And let's see if that changed. And it changed. Okay. So this way we can save our changes. And they persist. That's good to know. One bug is fixed. Yay! the other thing I wanted to do? Oh yeah, my teleport system. I wanted to change the door script. I still have it open, yes. And I wanted to change this to simple transform. And here as well. Okay, let's save that, and then we need to change it in our game manager. And let's change this. It's hello first, and it's supposed to be an exploration adventure game, and it's the world is based on a pen and paper role-playing session I had with some friends end of last year, and I wanted to create the world after we played our game, basically, and that's where the world idea came from. And in the role-playing session we started in a village, got an quest to retrieve an dwarven heirloom, a drinking mug that turned every liquid you pour into it into a magic liquid, and it was in a brewery that was lost over time to goblins and breweries over here, and we walked along a mountain through a forest and reached the brewery at some point. And I kind of liked the world idea and the kind of humor that was in the world, and wanted to put that inside of a small level design and game design project, but it kind of grew a bit from that, and I have this big world now that I want to fill with stuff that you can explore and talk to people and stuff like that. That's basically the game that I'm building. Yep. I hope that answers your question a bit. If you have further questions, I'm still here. Ask them. I'm happy to answer questions. Hi, Gispa. I always butcher your name, sorry. Was it Gi Gispa? I'm not sure. Sorry about the name. Um, 8 to 10 weeks? No, 9 to 9 weeks maybe. Um, maybe a bit less. It's, um, the first thing I started was the interior. That was in the beginning of February. But then most of February I didn't do anything in it, and I really started up end of February, about the 20s or so, and until then I worked on it almost every week, 5 days a week, 8 hours. So yeah, 8 to 9 weeks maybe, roughly. Oh, okay. Dutch name, that's good to know. And sorry for butchering it every time I try to pronounce it. Okay, I wasn't finished here. There was something else here. Yeah, here I need to change that to transform. Transform. Okay. How do you pronounce your name, Gisbar? Is there any way to help me not butcher it every time? Not that I remember it every time, but okay, this one should be, yeah. We need this. Need to change the names here.